is Mariel Invents from Bachelor of Library and Information Science. So for today's video, let's continue to discuss the research methods for librarians, specifically the Chapter 2 entitled Developing the Research Study. When planning a research, the first question that a researcher may well ask is, where do I begin? In other words, where does the planning begin? The knowledge has been sought either by means of deductive logic or through the use of inductive reasoning. Deductive or systematic logic was developed by Aristotle. It was characterized by use of syllogism. When we say syllogism, starts with a basic premise, which is then logically applied to a particular case, while inductive reasoning proceeds from particular instances to general principles or from facts to theories. There are 7 principal stages of research process. First, we have problem, hypothesis, research design, measurement, data collection, data analysis, and generalization. There are 4 general criteria for research. The following are universality, which means researchable. Second, we have replication, which means repeatable. Next, we have control. And the last one, we have measurement. Here are the best methods for identifying research topic. Here are the 3 characteristics of a problem suitable for basic research. Statement of the problem. The problem should be in complete grammatical sentences, not in mere phrases, and should be stated precisely. What is theory? According to Bobby, theory is a systematic explanation for the observation that relate to a particular aspect of life. Marshall described a theory as a set of related propositions that suggest why events occur in the manner that they do. McGrath defines theory as an explanation for quantifiable phenomena. Of a hypothesis. According to Bobby, hypothesis is a specified testable expectation about empirical reality that follows from a more general proposition. Another definition of hypothesis. Hypothesis is a tentative proposition set forth to assess in guiding the investigation of a problem or to provide possible explanation for the observations made. Moll considers hypothesis to be a tentative generalization concerning the relationship between 2 or more variables of critical interest in the solution of a problem under investigation. There are several types of hypothesis: working or research hypothesis, final hypothesis, particular hypothesis, causal hypothesis, alternative hypothesis, null hypothesis, and inductive hypothesis. Also, there are deductive hypothesis, non-directional hypothesis, directional hypothesis, multivariate hypothesis, bivariate hypothesis, and univariate hypothesis. The sources of hypothesis starts with a specific facts or observation which the researcher is attempting to explain. A variable may be thought of as any property of a person, thing, event, setting, and so on that is not fixed. There are 2 types of variable: independent variable and dependent variable. Other types of variable may be intervening variable, antecedent variable, extraneous variable, component variable, conditioning or moderating variable, and confounding or interfering variable. concept may be defined as an abstraction from observed events or a shorthand representation of a variety of facts. Its purpose is to simplify thinking by subsuming a number of events under one general heading. When testing the hypothesis, the researcher deductively develops certain logical implications, also known as logical consequences and criteria, which, when stated in operational terms, it can help to reject or support the hypothesis. There are three types of validity: internal, construct, and external. Logical validity is a type of validity generally based on expert judgment. Examples are content validity, item validity, and face validity. Empirical validity is based on external objective criteria. It includes concurrent validity and predictive validity. Construct validity represents the extent to which an instrument measures the concept or construct it is intended to measure. Here are the methods for assessing reliability or stability of measurement techniques. Following are test, retest correlation, split hub method, average item total correlation, and iterator reliability. The American Heritage Dictionary defines scale as a progressive classification as of a size, amount, importance, or rank, a relative level or degree. There are four types of scale. First one is nominal scale, categorized into which objects, individuals, or responses are classified. Ordinal scale defines the relative position or objects or individual with respect to a characteristic, also known as rank scale. Interval scale provides a ranking of position, but the intervals of measurement are equal. And the last one, we have ratio scale, comparable to the interval scale except it has an absolute zero.